Hi everyone, this is Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be speaking about A and R in star method. So in the previous video we already spoke about S and T. In this video A and R will be our focus. A for action, R for result. So let's start with the term A, action, which means that you have to explain the interviewer what was your role in the example that you are explaining. What was the work that you were doing, what were the details. So it's very important that you explain the details. When you're talking about what work you did, you might tell in just a vague answer, just in summary wise. But it's very important to explain this answer in detail. That's when the interviewer will know that how involved you were in the process. So you have to talk about different steps, like basically all the work that you are doing in detail, so that the interviewer feels, okay, this candidate did these all things, so impressive. So this is going to be a major task that you have to explain your complete work. Now let's take a look at examples so that you get a better idea of how to explain action part. I started by going back through our old blog post and adding in content upgrades that incentivized email subscription, which immediately gave our list a boost. Next, I worked with the rest of the marketing team to plan and host a webinar that required an email address to register, which funneled more interested users into our list. Fourth term, which is result. Now this is the most important. Now you have told the complete story, but at the end, what was the result is the most important part of this basic answer structure, because that's where the interviewer will know how impactful you were in whatever example that you are giving. So whenever you are telling results, it's very important that if there's some number that you can give, then you have to give those numbers. Like let's say you just don't give, yes, the total project was successful, I did this. But if you can say it helped gain 20% more profits, it helped increase the subscribers by 30%. These numbers are really important. So whenever there's certain number that you can give in the answer, give those numbers so that it creates a better impact. So result is very important. You have to tell how impactful was the whole process. Like finally everything comes to result. Failure or if it was successful is the result. Now suppose there is a situation that is given to you where you have an example but it was not a success, it was a failure, or it was just okay. Nothing much to say about in the successful part. So when you are giving the answer for this in the result section, you always have to end with a high note. You can't say overall it was a failure, we didn't do well. No, this is not the way you're supposed to end it. You have to say like what were the things you learned, how you think you can improve it now if you are doing it again. You have to talk about this and end it on a high note so that the interviewer feels, okay, failure or it didn't do that well, but you understood what could have been done, what were the things that could have been improved. So those are the things that you have to mention when you are giving this answer. So overall, this was the complete process of how we are supposed to use the STAR method, ST and AR, which is together STAR star. So if you found this video useful, please do click on the like button, share this video with your friends too. Also follow us on Instagram at @EdYoda, EdYoda. Share this video with your friends too so that it reaches more people. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. That is it for today's video. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye bye.